Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook. This is a simple but essential task that ensures you're seeing the most up-to-date emails and information in your inbox, especially when you're waiting for an important message or need to verify that everything's synced properly. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account if you haven't already. This will load in all your emails and allow you to access your inbox. Make sure everything has finished loading before moving to the next step, as this ensures you're working with your current data. Now that your email has loaded, it's time to actually refresh Outlook. To do this, navigate to the Send/Receive menu, which is located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. You'll see several tabs up there, so look for the one labeled Send/Receive and click on it. This tab houses all the controls for managing how Outlook fetches and sends your emails. Once you're in the Send/Receive menu, the process becomes quite straightforward. Look for the button labeled Send/Receive All Folders. You'll recognize it easily because it has a refresh cycle icon on it, which visually represents the action you're about to perform. Go ahead and click on this button. As soon as you do, Outlook will begin refreshing your inbox, fetching any new emails and updates that have arrived since the last sync. This process usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection and how many emails are coming through. And that's it. You've successfully refreshed your Outlook inbox, ensuring that you're viewing the most current version of your emails and any recent updates. This is particularly useful when you're expecting time-sensitive messages or need to confirm that sent emails have gone through. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.